Bubby. Bubby, you're on TV. Hi, Ozzie Bear. You're going to get vacuumed next. Yes, you are. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. You're getting vacuumed. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Hold on a second. I know you'd like to be vacuumed, don't you? Roscoe, you want to be vacuumed? Ozzie says, wait, I'm on TV. Bubby, you want to be vacuumed? All right, we're ready whenever you are.
Where Oz? Ozzie. Come here.
Ozzie,
Ozzie.
come here, Ozzie.
Ozzie. Come on.
No.
Oscar, you come on. That way. Come on. That way.
All right, Oz, let me come over.
That way. Oh, that's a good boy.
That's good boy, Ozzie. Yeah. All right.
Oops. Good boy, yeah.
The tail's wagging. Is that good, Oz? That was good. Ozzie. Ozzie, are you done? That's good, Mom. Well, you didn't get it out earlier?
You take away the